Returning to wealthy coins, howdy everyone. It's about time the US government made a statement regarding Shiba Inu currency. Latest updates about Shiba Inus today. In reaction to US President Joe Biden's crypto executive order earlier this week, the Financial Stability Oversight Council released its own long-awaited study, urging Congress to clarify what constitutes a security against a non-security in the context of cryptocurrency. The United States government has made a significant statement regarding Shiba Inu coin, and this video will discuss it. Latest updates about Shiba Inus today. To stay updated on our latest material about Shiba Inu price forecasts and expert analysis, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel. We will start the video without further ado. The meme coin has broken out of its symmetrical triangular pattern and is currently trading at 0.001106 USD, which means that the price prognosis for Shiba Inu is somewhat negative. No bullish momentum has been gained by Shiba, despite a withdrawal of 1.72 trillion Shiba from the Huobi exchange. Players all across the world can now download and enjoy Shiba Eternity, the first collectible card game from Shiba Inu on their mobile devices. The reaction to the news about cryptocurrencies was a major topic of speculation, so yet Shiba Inus have shown little reaction to the news. Possible positive news for the Shiba price. Blockchain data shows that a Shiba Inu whale recently withdrew $1.72 trillion worth of Shiba from the Huobi cryptocurrency market. Value of the Shiba Inu withdrawal transaction has decreased from approximately $19.4 million to less than $19.1 million. A small group of investors or maybe just one person can pull off such a massive deal. Usually whales will send money out of their exchange accounts to their wallets. The price of meme coin might be positively affected by this kind of market buying pressure. The Shiba Eternity contest, which was announced in September, has finally received an update from the official Twitter account. Creating a 30-second Shiba game trailer was the intended objective. You can't enter the contest without filming yourself playing Shiba Eternity. Make sure to include clips of yourself using the game's traits, disciplines, cards, and battles. Using the current exchange rate, the victorious trailer will get 451,263,537 meme coins. Winners will be contacted directly by the Shiba Eternity crew using the messaging application Discord. This adds to the optimistic outlook of Shiba Inus. Meme coin sentiment is negative nevertheless because to the dominance of the strong US dollar. There has been a 24-hour trading volume of 107,543,318, and the current price of Shiba Inu is 0.00011. In the past day, the Shiba Inu population has grown by 0.40%. CoinMarketCap's live market cap is 6,082,715,580,19,000, putting it in 14th place. At 0.001119 USD, the Shiba has technically broken out of the symmetrical triangular pattern. Furthermore, if bearish candles close below this level, it could mean that the decline would likely continue. Relative strength indexes and moving average convergence-divergence indicators RSI and MACD respectively are pointing to a downward trend in prices. With a break below the triple bottom level of $0.001182, Shiba can pursue further sales opportunities up to $0.00111055, near the 50-day moving average and the upward trend line which SHIB has already broken. There may be immediate resistance at $0.001119. In conclusion, the Shiba Inu is not going to hit $1 until at least 2022. The price could go above $0.001119 and into the $0.001157 range if demand for Shiba Inu surges. In the last several days, two coins Shiba Inu and Dogecoin made significant gains. One of the most talked about Shiba Inu products right now is the newly released Shiba Eternity game. Following successful trials in Vietnam and Australia, the gaming product was recently launched globally. There has been, and will continue to be, a dramatic surge in the amount of people downloading the Shiba Eternity gaming product in recent days. The Shiba Inu's SHIB pricing is anticipated to be greatly affected by its adoption in the near future. According to crypto experts, the demand for SHIB will surge when the Eternity game gains traction and millions of players begin playing. The SHIB price can begin to rise in this manner. Other essential goods like the shibers and the shibarium will cause the Shiba Inu price performance to skyrocket as a result of its widespread use. The mobile game Shiba Eternity, created by Play.ht Studios and Shiba Inu, is a major driver of positive sentiment. On the day of its debut, the game reportedly ranked among the top 20 applications in the Apple App Store. One free card strategy game is Shiba Eternity. The Shi-burning strategy incorporates it as well. Token burns, which decrease the availability of ships, are applied to transactions in the game. Impressive momentum was shown by Shiba Eternity, which reportedly had 10,000 downloads on the first day. Data from CoinMarketCap shows that the trading volume of Shiba Inu's governance token BONE spiked by nearly 205% unexpectedly. But BONE's price kept falling, so people started to wonder what happened. Trading at $1.112 at the time of publication, BONE had lost 13.47% of its value in the previous day. Any asset's trading volume tends to rise during times of high volatility as skilled traders purchase and sell massive sums in pursuit of gains. Similarly, investors may be driving up BONE volume because they are taking advantage of the current low price. Recent price volatility may have traders rushing to seize opportunities. Trading volume, or the total number of units traded between buyers and sellers, is seen by some observers as an unreliable predictor of investor status. The largest gainer in August was BONE, which reached a new yearly high of 2.39 on August 30th, breaking the $2 threshold. The price of BONE decreased and entered a range shortly after this peak. At the end of September, the bulls were unable to maintain a price above 1.63, which caused a further drop. The precise cause of the dump remains a mystery, although many believe it stems from doubts about the Shibarium launch. The team has not yet announced when Shibarium will be available to purchase, according to head developer Satoshi Kusama of Shiba Inu. The most current version, the Layer 2 Shibarium Builder Unification, made it available in the third quarter of 2022, not long after the public beta launch of Shibarium. In September, the official halt was placed on BONE minting when the supply reached 230 million. 20 million bones set aside as incentives for validators and gas will be required for the forthcoming Layer 2 Shibarium protocol to function. It is also known that delegates would receive rewards at bones for their hard work and successful completion of blockchain tasks. The Shiba Inu crew has revealed that the official download date for the ship's CCG game will be October 6th, which is great news. A long-awaited report about crypto rules was published by the Financial Stability Oversight Council. In essence, the FSOC stated its belief that federal authorities already possess a significant amount of the jurisdiction necessary to regulate substantial portions of the cryptocurrency industry. Determining the precise boundaries of securities regulations is the one issue it requested that Congress intervene with. To rephrase, I didn't find much of this surprising. In America, the question is where crypto assets become crypto commodities and where they become crypto securities. Could you please clarify where the authority of the Commodity Futures Trading Commissions begins and where the authority of the Securities and Exchange Commissions ends? No one in Congress has made any serious effort to address that subject. Some laws attempt to solve this problem, for example the DCCPA introduced by the Senate Agriculture Committee. However, upon closer inspection it becomes clear that this bill does not define the term. Much of crypto is now in a strange kind of uncertainty because of this. The research mainly focused on the present state of crypto, including the rules and regulations in place, recent developments, and previous examples. It also summarized the views of regulators regarding the potential hazards that crypto could pose to the US and the wider financial system in the future. When thinking about the global impact of cryptocurrency, the most important thing to keep in mind is the need for financial stability. This could happen in a variety of ways, including stablecoin payments, banking, tokenized real-world assets, investment products, or simply the widespread belief that crypto and crypto tools could supplement,